Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send a voice message on Telegram that can be listened to only once. This is a great feature if you want to share something private without it being replayed or saved. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send your message. It can be a private chat or even a group, depending on how you want to use this feature. Now look at the bottom right corner of your screen, right next to the message box. You'll see the microphone icon. Tap and hold this microphone to start recording your voice message. Keep holding while you speak. Once you've recorded your message, don't release your finger just yet. Instead, slide your finger upward. This will lock the recording so you can continue without holding the button. It also gives you more control before sending. After that, look for the small icon that represents the Listen Once option. This is the key step. Tap on that icon to activate the feature. When enabled, the receiver will only be able to play your voice message a single time. Finally, hit the send button. Your message will now be delivered with the one-time listening setting enabled. And that's it. The next time you want to send something more private or temporary, you can use this feature to keep your message more secure and controlled.